Y'all country much? Hey, go. Yeah. What's up, Ozzy? There you go. That was polite. Say hello. Jessie. That's Jessie. She was bottle fed in the house. That's a terrible idea if you don't already know. We got a mind to move our goat concentration and chicken structures back here to the other piece of property. When we get there, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you can see that. That service pole got to come up out the ground to give me room to lay out and plan what I want it to look like. I've got a structure design in mind. Looky here, look at that. That's a green heron if you can see that in the camera. There it goes. It likes coming here and eating fishes. That's up to it. I'm not upset about it all. As cold as our water's been, I had planted these abducted palm trees and they look terrible. There's another one. Look at there. That's beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't know we had two. Let me just ease along there. You see it? You can have all those fishes you want. Maybe it won't eat me out of house and home. So here we are. This pole is about possibly center of where I would want. My new barn. There it is. I don't know if you can see that well. I think it's something. Oops. Somebody's doing something crazy back here. Look how pretty that bird is. It's getting nervous. Alright. See if this thing's going to work for me. I don't know where to put you. Not a good place. Oh, that's magnetic. You can hang out right there then. We're going to see. A little cold nature and it's not really warm yet here. Come on, baby. Ain't that nice? For what I paid for it, I'm not checking the oil every time. It's not been using any. I do check it, I just don't check it every time. Let's see if we track on up there. Yeah. We've not warmed it up a lot, have we? No reason for it to be that high idle. Let's see where I can put it. It ain't too bad. It is too bad. You about failed. all nice and clean. Some more chain I need, but I'll figure out something in just a moment. Plenty loose. And all I did is that little simple trick there. Where you gonna leave that? That's not gonna bother me. That might have seemed uncouth and terrible, but I'm satisfied. Now we just need to get it out of the way. Look at the red flag on there. You know, that red flag is probably whoever hauled this here. Tacked that on the end of it. I have no idea how long ago, because it's hanging off the back of that truck. Interesting. Get it out of the way now. Wrong place. Something else we gotta get. The ground rod right there. Jutting up and down right there. I doubt I'll be able to hold it strong enough. Might just do a good play. How to tie an iron rod. I need just a little bit of room. I'm gonna do some crazy stuff here. Don't ever do this at home. Alright. How to tie a smooth iron rod with a chain in a fashion that it'll pull it up. Well, let's see if I got this figured out yet. I don't know where I can put you. I'll put you there. I'll put you. That looks like a terrible idea. Let me move that out of the way. We're just going to sit you right square on the ground. Alright. See. This works sometimes. I don't know if it's going to work this time. Let's see, I don't know, that hook's not big enough. No, that hook there, nope. I think it'll stay right there. That's tight enough. Don't know if it's going to bite. again. I don't know if you're seeing it. It's trying. Try that again. Are you seeing that? She pointed right there. How you like it aiming off the machine? I do not know. That ain't gonna work. We'll see if that works. Different angle. It's warm on it. There's an ant bed here, so that's making this the most pleasurable thing. Come on up. There we go. I know that might have been hard to watch, but we got it up out of the ground, and the choke it with a chain, that finally worked. What you got to do is like I've done, you got to run a tail round and round such as that several times. Enough that it catches, and when you pull up, it's binding now. That's binding now. Of course, it's rusted in the ground, so it's difficult to pull up. But that's worked for me many times. You have to do like I did. You have to set it several times. Anyway, that's all we're doing is pulling the post up. We'll get to leveling the ground here after a while. It's quite a good bit out of level. You might can tell it on the camera. We're going to bring a bunch of that dirt back this way. Make us a pretty. Thank you.